Installing your beautiful new PerfectFIT Venetian blinds couldn't be simpler. Start by assembling the frame. On a clean surface, lay the blind face down and spread out the top and bottom frames. Slot the side frames onto the pegs in the top and bottom frames and push the pieces firmly together. Next, slot the brackets into the window by sliding them between the glass and the rubber seal. To locate the bracket correctly, place a standard size credit, debit or store card vertically in the corner against the glass and align the bracket with the bottom of the card. Push each bracket under the seal as far as it'll go. Now, simply take your assembled blind and press the back of the frame against the brackets, lining up the slots on the frame with the notches on the brackets. Press the frame firmly against the brackets until each has snapped into place. And that's it! Your new blind is installed and ready to enjoy. If you have any problems fitting your blinds, our friendly customer service team are always happy to help 7 days a week. Made to measure, made simple.